Hey everybody, Attorney Tom here with another TikTok React. Let's jump straight into it.
Wait. You'll be able to hear it.
Somebody riding their bike on the freeway. Traffic is stopped. Okay, multiple bikes, so this is a protest. Yeah, tons of people out there. Tons of people. Accident or intentional. Not slowing down. Clearly intentional.
Oh my god.
Everybody, please get out of the way. Please. Don't get hurt.
Oh my god.
Okay. Clearly intentional, and if that person were to hurt somebody, it would absolutely be either murder or at the very least manslaughter, probably murder. Yes, should the protesters be on the freeway? No. Is being on the freeway dangerous? Yes, it is. But using force like that, lethal force, is only justified when you're in an objective and subjective fear of imminent bodily harm. There's no harm being presented to this person. As you can see, everybody else is just stopped peacefully. Yes, will it be a huge inconvenience? You're not going to get where you're going in a timely manner? Correct. But that is no excuse. You're not in fear of imminent bodily harm to use deadly force like driving a tanker through a crowd of people. I hope that person loses their license. I hope they get in legal trouble. That is just unnecessary. No like for this video, even though the driver wasn't the one taking it.
This bag yourself, sir?
Yes.
You're absolutely certain?
Absolutely certain.
There's no way someone could have slipped something in there?
Yeah,
No way at all.
And it hasn't been left unattended for any length of time?
No, it's been
Let's
by
get
my
real.
side from the moment I
That's a
packed it
good
to the
hiding
moment you
spot.
brought me in here. Nobody's
But
touched this case
absolutely
except for
right.
me.
The dog
Pack
will
this bag
find
yourself,
it. Those
sir.
dogs
Yes.
can find
You're
almost
absolutely
anything.
Absolutely certain.
So
There's no
just
way
don't
someone
hide
could have
anything.
slipped
Don't do
something
anything
in
wrong.
No way at all.
And
But
it hasn't been left
come on.
unattended for
It's
any
awesome.
length of time?
No, it's been by my side from the moment I packed.
So yesterday, I asked the question, if you saw this tattoo on a patient
Do
having
not
a cardiac arrest
resuscitate.
with no other details, what would
Honor
you do?
the tattoo.
This case actually happened at a Florida hospital, and what the doctors did will shock you. At first, the doctors were going to do CPR and not honor the tattoo because there was no way to know what the man actually wanted. Tattoos are not legally binding and are a bit too ambiguous to act upon. And typically, you need an official do not resuscitate
Yeah, you probably,
form.
exactly.
Anyway, in
You
this
want to
case,
find the
doctors
do not
called up the
resuscitate
hospital's ethics
form.
consultant, and he said they should honor the tattoo. And luckily for the team, they also managed to find a copy of
Okay,
his do not
so they
resuscitate
found it.
form. Ultimately, the man did die, but the tattoo raised all sorts of medical and legal dilemmas. Comment if you thought they did the right thing. So yesterday, I asked the question, if you saw...
So, what if that form wasn't there? What do I think? I don't know. My gut instinct would be to ignore it because a tattoo is not binding, so you'd have to treat the person as if there was no tattoo on there, and they have protocol for that kind of stuff. Just my thought. That's a very, very interesting question. Guy from Hamilton, which is awesome. Hamilton is awesome. Chorus is some... Alright, just stop it right there. Stop it right there before we continue this. There's a reason why insurance companies can pay all these famous people and spend hundreds of billions of dollars a year on ads. It's because they make so much money screwing people over. Companies, Nationwide isn't your friend. They aren't a good neighbor. State Farm, not a good neighbor. Allstate, you're not in good hands. They're all just trying to screw you over. They really do. Hire a lawyer if you ever need to battle with an insurance company, or they will run you over. We'll continue. We'll listen to the propaganda. We'll let it go. So let's listen to the propaganda.
Takes the kids to school and thinks that minivans are cool. That's why there's
Love Hamilton. Love Hamilton. Doesn't change my opinion of this guy. Don't blame him. He made a lot of money.
Nationwide is on your side.
Scam.
Time to do some sketchy shit.
Not safe.
Do-da, hope I get away with it. Oh-da-do-da-day.
Not safe. Don't do this. Don't do this, people.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Do-da.
Don't do this. None of these videos are getting likes tonight. They're just not. That's
So on
dangerous.
my way out from work, I realized this is gonna
You're
fall
gonna get sued if you
at
do
some
that.
point.
All right.
So I thought I'd take my chance. Hours have been cut.
This is just like the video I made with the Walmart
so
guy.
I'm just gonna wait here for a little.
Yeah, listen. Here's the thing.
So on my way out from work, I realized this is gonna fall at some point.
If you were just walking and it fell and hurt you, that's probably a great lawsuit. But if you identify something as a hazard and then purposely go out of your way to get hurt by it, it's a loser. In order for you to win a personal injury case, the other people have to be liable. And they're going to put most of the fault on you if you're the one who just waits there to be injured. So even if that thing was going to fall, if you're waiting there, you're not going to get any money for it. Terrible idea. Don't do that. It doesn't get a like either.
You're lucky if a heartbreak was
Bad
the only thing you had
beat
to deal
right
with.
there.
See, because I had to deal with my entire condo trashed and everything I owned stolen, from birth certificate, canvases of me from a magazine, clothes, shoes, everything, laptop, camera, basically anything you've saved in the last 22 years of your life. But I was able to find a few sentimental jewelry pieces in the bottom of this toilet. But you know, I've never learned a better valuable lesson, to be honest. And shit happens.
Wow. So, one, you can probably sue, no, not probably, you should definitely sue that person for all the damage they caused. Second, I hope you have homeowners insurance policy or renters insurance policy. And I know I just talked crap about insurance companies, but in theory, insurance companies are supposed to be good. You hire a lawyer, they're going to fight to get you all that damaged stuff back, which is a lot. Don't let the insurance company lowball you. That's why they have those policies, is for you to get paid. But then they will deny liability because, oh, it was intentional, blah, blah, blah. But it wasn't intentional by the homeowner. You know, that was a crazy boyfriend. You might as well classify that as a break-in, because it was a break-in. Hope they have homeowners insurance policy. I hope the insurance policy pays out. Oh. Hope everybody's okay. That is a good way to need a personal injury lawyer, if I do say so myself. That is terrifying.
Looks like the traffic cleared up and I'm ready to remerge with the civilized people.
Don't do that.
Looks like the traffic
Don't do that.
cleared up and I'm
Don't
ready to
watch it one
remerge
more time.
with
Don't
the,
do it.
Civilized people.
All right. That's clearly against the law.
Burger King just pissed off the gaming community. Here's what happened. A lot of streamers have this feature set up where you can donate a small amount of money and have a text-to-speech robot read out your personalized message during the stream. And Burger King's advertising has always been known for hacking platforms or using features in unique ways. Like the time they gave away free burgers for deleting Facebook friends. But this time they used that Twitch donation feature to take advantage of streamers and essentially get really cheap
Twitch
ads.
donations
By
to the
donating
bot.
a measly $5, they got the
So
robot
they read
to
it off.
read out their message about Burger King's latest promotion. Ugh.
Definitely
Had they been
FTC
working with these
violations.
streamers like any other sponsorship and paying them accordingly, this stunt would have been fine. Cool even. But instead they decided to do this super scummy marketing trick and only give the streamers a couple bucks. Also, it violated the rules of the streaming tool that was being used, so who knows what kind of legal stuff will come of this.
Yeah, so that's a problem for a whole bunch of reasons. One, the FTC, you have to clearly disclose when something's an ad, right? So let's just say I'm streaming, which I'm going to be doing tonight, and Burger King displays an ad and I don't know about it, right? I'm still could be liable for that. Also, what if I have a sponsorship with McDonald's, which I don't? And McDonald's, you know, but presumably these bigger streamers might have partnerships with other people. And that's just, it creates huge problems. And you're cutting out the streamer in general. You're giving him a $3, $5 donation for it to be read. That's bad faith. That's FTC violations. I hope the FTC cracks down on it, because for an FTC violation, it's not a private cause of action. The FTC has to bring suit. That's kind of bad. Shame on you. You don't, bad Burger King. All right, that's it. All right, that's it for tonight. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed it. Short, sweet, to the point. Please make sure you like and subscribe to this video if you care and enjoy my content. It really means a lot. I'll see you next time. Peace.